What's going on, guys? So today I am out here at the sneak peek event hosted by Forest River to showcase their 2025 models that will soon be appearing on dealership lots. This is actually an event for them to showcase their products to dealerships who will hopefully pick them up and carry them at their lot so you can go and buy them if you're interested. That said, today we are going to be looking at this new 2025 Cedar Creek fifth wheel. This thing is absolutely beautiful. This is probably the most popular fifth wheel floor plan you can buy. It's the traditional rear living room fifth wheel, but they've done some really special things to the interior of this, and I think you're going to like it. Hang tight, I'll be right back. First, let's take a look at the numbers on this unit. This is going to have a gross vehicle weight rating of 16,525 pounds. It's going to have 4,545 pounds worth of cargo capacity, making the dry weight of this unit relatively light for its size at 11,921 pounds, and it's going to ride on twin 7,000-pound axles. Now, I feel like they had an opportunity here to make the gross vehicle weight of this unit 14,000 pounds, reduce this significantly to maybe like 2,000, 3,000 pounds, and have the 7,000-pound axles reach the maximum gross vehicle weight rating of the trailer. But that's easy enough for an owner to do by simply not putting 2+ tons worth of weight inside of this RV. That said, let's take a close look at this thing. We got hydraulic leveling on it. This has the Rhino box up front, which means it has a space saver upper deck, which is the new reinforced, stronger, stiffer upper deck section. You're gonna have twin propane cans right here, two 30-pound cylinders. This does ride on a drop frame, so you have a very tall pass-through storage right here, complete with pegboard, aluminum bath deck material as well. Nice thick baggage doors with slam latches. Spray port power on the side also. You have the Moride step above steps with a really nice Cedar Creek emblem right here. This is going to have Goodyear Endurance tires. It's also going to feature the Road Armor suspension with heavy-duty shackle straps and greasable wet bolts. I do like the suspension setup, along with the reinforcement they have on the hangers. This also has a through-frame rack and pinion slide-out mechanism, which is really nice. Aluminum structure. It's going to have tire pressure monitoring built in, and it's also going to have Lippard's anti-lock brake system. Very nice. So this is going to be the 29RL. This has a nice glass door on it with this really cool latch extender that is all one piece with the handle. Makes it a lot easier if you're going to grab it from here at the bottom to open the door. And we're going to step inside of the Cedar Creek rear living room floor plan. Okay, so check this out. So the rear living room floor plan is absolutely the most popular floor plan for fifth wheels, especially for couples. Gives you a lot of flexibility, including extra sleeping capability off of the back sofa once you extend that out into a bed. But look at the tones. They've definitely gone a different direction. A lot of tans in here. You know, you have a really nice light backer, nice dark contrasting tones with the trim around the TV as well as around the slide outs. Beautiful light fixtures, solid surface materials, really nice countertop over here. Great spot for a coffee maker. Love the copper tone handles as well. Magnetic latches, soft closing cabinets, and I believe soft closing drawers. Nice storage with contrasting shelves. Just a beautiful setup in here. You have glass inlays in the top of these cabinets. You have a Furrion residential refrigerator, and this is a really nice refrigerator actually. When you look inside of it, it's got a lot of refrigeration space. Then you have a drawer right here with an ice maker tray, and another drawer here that has another tray that can slide in also. Over here in the island, you have the multi-function sink. Basically has all these cool trays. It even has a rinse station right here, which water comes out to rinse off things. Nice sprayer extension, glass cleaner, soap dispenser. Really tall cabinets, so you can fit your trash can under here, as well as a cool organization area. So this is pretty dang awesome. This slides out so you can organize your soaps, your cleaning supplies, and stuff like that. And it's also soft closing. Actually, I believe the trash can location's right here. So yeah, you have the trash can, and then you have a chop block with a hole to actually put your shavings and stuff inside of the trash can. So that is really cool. You have a nice solid surface countertop surrounding the large 3-burner Furrion stove oven combination with the matching stainless steel cover on the shelf below it, or the drawer. Residential microwave in here as well. Cabinets on each side. Wallboard looks really nice. It's basically a wallboard though. It's not going to be like real tile back there, but it looks really nice. You have a nice little area for spices. Little rack here. I think that's for paper towels maybe, or a towel. And then over here, check this out. So you have the TV entertainment area right here, but then you have this nifty handle that pulls out, and you have this really cool hidden storage space behind it. Lots of shelves and places to put things. So you have your smart TV here, you have your panoramic fireplace, really, really nice contrasting tones. Over here you have a lot of cabinets up top with glass in them. Huge windows on the back here. These windows are much larger than you might think. Nice little end tables here. This does fold out into almost a king-size bed. Huge window on the back. I like the contrasting tones here. And then you're probably going to have blackout blinds. You do. Theater seating right here. You have kind of a rug style material on your slide outs. Very, very cool. Really nice dinette. Over here you have an ottoman with storage that you can slide out into the living room space if you want as well. And then underneath here, you're going to have a really cool spot for your utensils and for silverware. And of course this does extend if you want to extend the table out for more room. Really nice solid wood valances for the top sections. A lot of windows, a lot of lighting. What do you guys think of the color scheme in here? I think it looks really good, to be honest. But yeah, this is a beautiful interior. Max Air fan control. You have a little hanging area here, probably for keys or such. Your controls here. You have your rich solar charge controller, 30 amps. Fan controls, and your air conditioning thermostat for the 2 ACs that are in here. Stepping up the stairs into the bathroom. Really nice one-piece frontline shower system with a multi-head sprayer and wand. Nice porcelain bowl above the countertop with plenty of countertop space around it. Really nice copper pulls. Huge medicine cabinet, lots of space in there. A lot of space in here, and again, I love the contrasting wood tones where you have the darker wood tones on the inside. Soft closing. Your toilet paper holders here on this sliding door for the bathroom, and you have a porcelain foot flush toilet. Plus you have this really cool calendar / note-taking scheduling tool that you can put here. I guess that would probably help if you're trying to figure out when you checked in, when you're checking out, and things you might need to remember to do. Going into the bedroom, I like how they used a contrasting wooden tone edge around this entry. Really nice wardrobe here. This top does flip up, so there's storage underneath here. These drawers also pull out, and they are all soft closing. Also, all dovetailed. Check that out. Wasn't expecting that. So a lot of brands now have been moving to dovetailing their drawers, and it's cool to know that Cedar Creek's doing that as well. You have your roller shades right here. King size bed, nice and low as well. Really easy to get onto the bed. You're going to have storage underneath it as well. This is your slide out mechanism, but you still have some storage there, and I believe, yeah, that slides, so you can not have to, mess with that, but it's easy to access the slide out mechanism if you need to service it for some reason. You have some nice little nightstands over here. They have a candle on that one, even though I don't think I would ever want to put a candle on there. But I kind of prefer when they put them down here at the bottom, in case you have something hot you can set on there. But they built these out so you can put your phone or your iPad, things like that up there. Second air conditioning system. It is all ducted. Huge closet doors. Just absolutely enormous closet doors with huge mirrors on them. Definitely, I think some people in the family would love to be able to get dressed in front of that. Stepping into the closet space. Again, love the contrasting tones. You have 3 tones that meet here. You have power in here for your washer and dryer. This whole bottom part comes out if you want to put a washer and dryer in here with your water connections. You have your cordless vacuum in here as well. Very nice closet space though, for sure. What do you guys think? This thing is pretty dang cool. They got a lot of good things going on with them, especially considering, you know, the direction they've gone. Beautiful interiors. And I can honestly tell you, I really like the Cedar Creek product, especially because they have a lot of features that you typically don't expect from fifth wheels. They're kind of like a cousin to a Riverstone because of how they build their walls, the type of gel coat that they use on their walls and how it's bonded to the walls, as well as a lot of other things, such as you can get a really great lithium-ion battery system with it, the panels on the bottom that pop out really easy if you need to service anything. It's just, they're really well constructed, especially at the price point that they're at. Anyways, let's take a quick look at the outside. We already talked about everything up here, talked about the suspension and tires. This does have a 2-inch receiver, not meant for towing, just for an accessory rack. LED lighting, has 2 sets of LED lighting. Wired for a Furrion wireless backup camera. Coming around this way, rack and pinion slide out. Up front, it's going to have another rack and pinion slide out, but it's hidden underneath. Anyways, guys, I'd love your feedback. Please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about this Cedar Creek rear living room floor plan. If you haven't had a chance, please take a moment, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and we'll talk to you again very soon.